Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSCW 24 traders. And the title of this video is Currency Trading Education Part 4. If you have not watched Part 1 to Part 3, you may do so before watching this video. Alright? Talking about the currency trading education. It's about, assisting, all right, traders that are willing to learn to trade like professional traders, traders that are willing to learn to adopt the mindset of professional traders. Losing trade do happen, ladies and gentlemen. Even, JP Morgan has lost billions of pounds. Big banks, big institutions also lose money, or high frequency traders. In fact, the net profit of the high frequency business has been going down since the peak time of 2009. So recently there was big losses in the high frequency industry. So it doesn't matter which tool you are using, there will be some losing trade. So to avoid losing, wiping out your trading account, we stick to the 5% money management rules. The first thing you want to understand that the most important trading tool is the trader himself. So if you don't like it, which means you are losing, you must come out. Okay, come out, go. It's your money, all right? That's fine. It's your money. Very, very important. Let's continue with currency trading education. We are looking at the USD yen currency pair. As I said to you, we know the plan, we know the steps. Okay, this is just, there are more trading idea. So we are talking about trading idea part 1. There are more to that. There are trading idea part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. Part 5 for TSTW24 today. So this is just the first one. So now we see for the USD yen, let's see what's happened today. The red line, as you can see here, that's the median line of last Friday. The pink line is the median line of last week. Today, there was one interesting situation. I'll go to the 5-minute chart, a very crowded time frame. This is my red line, you see. It's the median line of last Friday. So in fact, this currency pair was going down since yesterday. And look, it came near the median line. Look what it did. It was hanging around here. The bearish momentum has evaporated, right, so to speak. Okay? It has been weakening. All right. So there was a low, and then we have another lower low, and then we have equal low, and then we have a bit of higher low around where? Look where? Around the key level. In fact, I'm not interested to buy this currency pair. What I'm looking for is a sell signal. If there's a sell signal, I'll take it. If there's no sell signal, I'm not interested at all. All right? So I like other traders, take it. I'm not willing to take it. Even if I lose money, I don't give a damn about it. I'm not interested to buy it. All right? So now that's it. So this is around a key level. So suppose you have followed the rules and you come to the 5-minute chart and you are watching it. You say, okay, George, this is the level. What's happening around this key level is a key level. Always key level. Professional watching the key level. So everybody keep their eyes wide open without blinking around the key levels. So we are all watching and say, what is he going to do now? Is he going to break below it and retest it? Okay, what's going to happen? And now you see they take it out and display the first high low, and those who believe that the market should go up forever and they keep buying it. I'm not interested to buy anything here. All right, better look for something else. All right, but it's up to you what you do. But it can go up more because what's happening here for this currency pair is that the Japanese government want to devalue the yen. Remember, that is a policy. So anytime the dollar yen goes down, the Japanese government is watching. They don't like it, all right? So they will try to propel it to the upside, so to speak, all right? So be aware of it. There is another market participant, which is a government that can make a decision to change the dynamics of a technical setup. Currency trading education part 4. So around the key level, what you see, now they are taking it up, okay? So it's going back again. We return back above the 10200, and now we are at 10230. So watch it. In this part of the video, we're going to look at the dollars, talking about the dollar yen, okay, the dollar Singapore dollar, okay, and the dollar Canadian dollar. the USD yen, the USD Singapore dollar, and the USD CAD. One of the problems that a lot of new traders will face, and some traders that are placing trade anyhow in the currency market, so they open 5 trades. So they will sell the USD yen, they will sell the USD Singapore dollar, they will sell the USD CAD. But it doesn't work like that. One of these 3 currency pair, pay attention, will go up and another one will go down. USD yen, USD CAD, USD Singapore dollar. In fact, among these 3 currency pair, USD yen, USD CAD, USD Singapore dollar, the leading currency pair are among these 3 currency pair is the crazy currency pair, which is the USD yen. The best approach, remember in my view, is that when the USD yen, you receive a sell signal, a valid sell signal for the USD yen, check the last 2 currency pair, USD Singapore dollar, USD CAD, to see whether you will see a buy signal. It's not recommendable to sell the $3 USD yen, USD CAD, USD Singapore dollar. Why? Because of the hedging activity in the market. This is about currency trading education, part 4, the $3 USD yen, USD Singapore dollar, USD CAD. Do not use a basket trading system in these for these 3 currency pair. A lot of new traders get into trouble. So because you are excited, you want to sell, you want to be in the market, you are scrolling through the chart, so you look, you say, okay, this one is a sell signal, this one is a buy signal, and you just place in a trade without paying attention to the correlation between currencies and the hedging that are taking place in the market. So the big institution, talking about the banks, the hedge funds. So for instance, a hedge fund place millions of their client money buying this crazy currency pair. They are risking their client money. And if a hedge fund is losing, they will lose their client. The client will take their money and go. And they will lose, their reputation also. Even the hedge fund may go out of business. So they are not prepared to do that. So anytime they are placing a trade, they must protect their investment by hedging against, the negative outcome that may happen. So though they want to buy, if they're buying this one, they will go now and sell the USD CAD or the USD Singapore dollar. The inverse also is true. Alright? So it doesn't mean that when the USD yen is going up, the USD CAD will go down, the USD Singapore dollar, will go up. But we want to be aware that the hedging activity is taking place and one should be aware of it. Alright? Very, very important. Sometimes you may see one of these currency pairs, this is the USD CAD, maybe going up and the USD may be going down. Sometimes both of them may go in the same direction, which means when the price reaches a cycle point, sometimes the market will reach a cycle point, and you will see most of the currency, though they are negatively correlated, they will all go in the same direction, which means the market is about to change direction. This is happening in some cycle point. Alright? But all I want you to remember in this video is that sometimes you may see a bullish sell like this, alright? So you take it and you will fail. Why? Because another market participant is buying. Buying not because he or she receives a buy signal, but they are just protecting their investment against the negative outcome. Alright? So for instance, if I'm a hedge fund, I'm buying the USD yen, I may decide to sell the USD Singapore dollar and the USD CAD. Alright? Alright? So this is about the hedging activity that is taking place in this currency market. Very, very important. Nowadays, a lot of traders, before in the past, people will go and buy the USD yen, USD CAD, USD Singapore dollar. They will call about basket trading. This is good for brokers because it makes a lot of commission for brokers. They are defending their interests and not criticizing the brokers here. You must also defend your interest by protecting one side of your trade. Alright? The hedging activity is creating a lot of distortion also in the market, though there's nothing illegal about it. It is creating a distortion because when a financial instrument that is normally bullish, a dominant force is selling it, is creating a distortion. But there's nothing we can do about it because these big market players must protect their position. So we're going to see a lot of volatility in this forex market for some time until we have a proper, solid fundamental in the global economy. So right now, the messy market, okay, will continue. All right. So remember that same thing we talk about the Euro USD, which is the leading currency pair, the first currency pair that you must pay attention to. Sometime, if we take now, we were talking about the dollar group, dollar yen, dollar Singapore dollar, dollar Canadian dollar, the three currency pair. The leading currency pair is the USD yen. When we take again, for instance, the euro, talking about the euro currency, talking about euro yen, euro GBP, euro Australian. The group euro card, all this group of currency, okay, euro GBP, euro yen, euro dollar, euro Australian, euro Canadian, euro Swiss franc. Yeah, the euro group, the leading currency pair is the euro USD. Again, hedging activity is taking place. In the past, you will see a lot of old-fashioned way of trading forex. Trader will buy all this together. But sometime, ladies and gentlemen, one market participant will be buying the Euro USD and will be selling, for instance, the Euro GBP. But my approach is this. Because the Euro USD is the leading currency pair, if the Euro USD give a bullish signal, and also the USD, okay, the USD yen also give me a buy signal, I will align the two signals together. So I don't want to trade against the Euro USD direction with another Euro currency pair. So Euro USD give a buy signal and the Euro GBP also give a buy signal at a low risk point. I'll be willing to take these two trades. But do not expose yourself too much in the forex market by taking many positions. Otherwise, you may be in trouble because of the hedging activity in the market. A lot of traders have wiped out their trading account because of that situation. Not because they were not making the right decision, not because they were not using their tool right, but because of, they did not pay attention to other market participants and try to understand how these people trade. You want to know how, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, the big institution, Deutsche Bank, this company trade. They will always protect their trades. There are always defensive strategy in place to protect a trade. All right? All right, we'll stop here. And also, if we take, for instance, the Australian dollar group, Australian dollar, or the group of the Australian dollar, the Australian US dollar is also the leading currency pair. So, group of the euro, Euro USD leading currency pair, group of the dollar, USD yen, the crazy currency pair, is the leading currency pair. Remember, the hedging activity can affect another currency pair. A currency pair may be perfectly bullish, but due to hedging activity, market participant can sell it. Another currency can be perfectly, you may see a bullish signal, but if you fail to understand the correlation that is, or any hedging activity that is taking place in the market, you may decide to sell only to lose because you are not focusing, or you did not know, or you did not pay attention to, other market participant, or you forget the hedging activity that is taking place in the market. I hope you have enjoyed this video also about currency trading education platform and have learned something from it, and we put it to use, to make excellent currency trading decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. If you like this video, check it out. Speak to you soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders.